Hello all, welcome to session 74. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate set window size command in Selenium Python. So let's get started. What exactly is this command? Using this command in Selenium Python, we can resize a browser window to a specific or specified size. Let me practically demonstrate this command for you. For that, first of all, I'll launch PyCharm IDE where we have this Python file having some sample Selenium automation code already written for opening the Chrome browser, for maximizing the browser window, and for opening this application URL in the browser. After this application URL is opened in the browser, I want to resize the browser window size to some specific size or specified size like this set driver dot set window size command. This command is okay. Set window size. Here I will say I have to provide width and height guys. Okay, width is equal to I'm giving something like 800. Okay, comma height is equal to some 500. Okay, the width is 800. I am resizing the browser window size to width as 800 and height as 500. Let's see. Let's run this code and see whether it will resize the browser window to the given height and width or not. You see here, the width is 800 and height is 500 guys. Okay, let me change the values here. If I give the width as, let's say 1200 and height as 300, you can see the difference now. Set window size command. If you run this code, it will set the window size width to 1200 and height to 300. You see this width is 1200, height is 300 now. Okay. Hope guys you understood how to use the set window size command in Selenium Python. So that's it for this session. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.